Students, which shape is this? This is a square shape. Square shape ને 4 corner હોય છે. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A square shape has 4 corners and 4 sides. This is a square's sides અને sides કહેવાય. જુઓ, side number 1, side number 2, side number 3 and side number 4. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Square. What is the spelling of square? S Q U A R E. Square. One more time. I repeat the spelling of a square. S Q U A R E. Square. Square has 4 equal corners and 4 equal sides. It calls a square. Okay, now you tell me which shape is this? You have seen so many stars in the sky at night, right? Twinkle star. So many times we have sung a rhyme, twinkle, twinkle, little star. So this is a star. Let's write a spelling of a star. S T A R star. Now let's count how many sides of a star. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So a star has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. Okay, let's revise the spelling of a star. S T A R star. Okay, tell me which shape is this? This is a circle shape. Which shape? Circle. C I R C L E. Circle. Circle is round. It has no corner or no sides. But in our textbook we can see there are 2 types of circle shape. This is a ball and this is a coin. Now you will say, teacher, this is circle and which shape is this if I ask you? You will say this is also circle, but no, this is not a circle shape. We can say this is a sphere shape. S P H E R E, sphere shape. And this is circle shape. C I R C L E. Now let's see what is a difference between circle and sphere. See, I have some coins. So you can say this is circle shape. But if I take a ball, it looks a circle shape, but this is not a circle. This is sphere. What? Sphere. Yes, students, ball is a sphere shape. Okay. But if I take a carom board's cookie, is it sphere or a circle? This is a circle. This is not sphere. Okay, now I am taking our crayons bottle. This is a lid of crayons box. Is this a circle or is this a sphere? This is a circle. This is not sphere. I am taking one more bottle. See, this is like a bottle or a jar shape, but its lid. Let's take its lid. This is a circle. This is not sphere shape. And a ball is a sphere shape. Which shape a ball has? Sphere. S, let's write S P H E R E, sphere shape. Okay, so clear what is sphere and what is circle. Now let's identify a new shape. This is a rectangle shape. The spelling of rectangle is R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. Okay, have you seen any things of rectangle shape? Yes, you have seen lots of things of a rectangle shape like a TV. Okay, see what is this? This is a remote control. You use this to control our TV, to shifting a channel. Okay, to up and down sound of our TV or our music system, right? So this is a remote control. It is a rectangle shape. See, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Side. This is a side of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it has 4 corner. It calls a corner. This is corner. So how many corner a rectangle has? Rectangle has 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Okay, so now you know what is a rectangle. Students, in our classroom where you learn A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, everything teacher write down on the blackboard. Okay, that is our blackboard is also a rectangle shape. See, you can see in our textbook it is a blackboard, a green board. Okay, it is green colored board on what teacher write down. See, okay, so it is a rectangle shape. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, like a diamond in the sky. Students, this is a diamond shape. What is the spelling of a diamond? D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. One more time I write down here. D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. So now you know the spelling of a diamond. Diamond shape has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. How many corners a diamond shape has? 4 corners. Now tell me which game is this? You know very well. This is Ludo. Okay, let me turn it. And which game is this? This is snakes and ladders. Okay, you have played so many times a Ludo. So many students are playing Ludo in mobile, but don't use mobile. Okay, play Ludo on the board only. Okay, but if you want to play a Ludo, what you need? One more thing, which shape of this board? આ લૂડોનું જે બોર્ડ છે એ કયા શેપનું છે? એ સ્ક્વેર શેપ્સનું છે. જુઓ એને કેટલી સાઇઝ છે? 1, 2, 3 and 4 સાઇઝ. અને એના કેટલા કોર્નર્સ છે? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners. Okay. Now I am taking some special things what I need to play a Ludo. And that is cube. You know what is cube? So many times we play with a cube to play a Ludo. Okay, now tell me what is the shape of this cube? You will tell that it is a square shape, but no, this is not a square shape. See, this is a cube. So a shape name is also a cube. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 corners. How many corners? 4 corners. A cube have 4 corners. This is square shape, but this is a cube. Okay, cube. Main difference of square and a cube is square is 2-dimensional and a cube is 3-dimensional. Okay, so now you have cleared that what is cube and what is square. So students, today we have learned the spelling of these 5 sides. First is square. S Q U A R E, square. This is circle. C I R C L E, circle. This is a diamond shape. D I A M O N D, diamond. This is a star shape. S T A R, star. And last one is a rectangle shape. How to write? How to spell? R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. On this base, we will do this exercise in our textbook. This is cut and paste. So these are some stickers. We have to identify the shape and have to read the spelling. Sphere, rectangle, oval, cube, circle, square, triangle, cone. Okay, we have to identify the shapes and we will stick on it. Let's complete this exercise. This is page number 21. Okay, first we will read an instruction. Stick the correct shape into bracket, cut and paste. એટલે કે આપણે સ્ટીકર આપ્યા છે, આ બધા જે છે એ સ્ટીકર્સ છે, એને રિમૂવ કરવાના છે અને તે શેપને આઈડેન્ટિફાય કરીને તેની ઉપર આપણે સ્ટીક કરશું. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ અ બોર્ડ, રાઇટિંગ બોર્ડ. આપણે ક્લાસરૂમમાં જે જોઈએ છે એ રાઇટિંગ બોર્ડ છે. તો એનો કયો શેપ છે? રેક્ટેંગલ શેપ. તો વેર ઇઝ રેક્ટેંગલ? હિયર. ઓકે, સો we will cut it from here and paste on here. Okay, now which shape is this? And what is this? This is a hanger. We use a hanger to hang our clothes. Which shape is this? This is a triangle shape. Where is triangle shape? Find out. Is it? No, 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 no. Yes. This is triangle. So I take a sticker and paste on it. Okay. Now this is a joker's cap. You can say it is a cone shape. Which shape? Not exactly triangle. This is a cone shape. C-O-N-E, cone. So let's remove it from here and paste it on cone shape. C-O-N-E, cone. What is this? This is a cube. Where is a cube shape? This is sphere, rectangle, oval and cube. So let's remove it from here, cut and paste. Okay. It is very funny exercise. You will enjoy definitely. This is a coin. Which shape of a coin we have learned? We have learned which shape a coin has? A circle. Where is a circle? This is sphere and this is a circle. So remove it, cut and paste. Okay, what is this? This is a football. A football has a sphere shape. A ball has a sphere shape. So cut it from here and paste it here. Remove all the stickers very carefully. Okay. Which shape is this? This is a square shape. Okay. This is a chessboard and this is a square shape. So where is square shape? Firstly you find out. This is oval. This is left and this is square shape. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. So I remove it and stick it here. And last one is an egg. Egg has oval shape. So remove an egg from here and let me paste on it. So we have completed our this exercise. You also complete this exercise in your textbook. Cut and paste and enjoy.